Okay, I'm taking what I think is called the East Mountains back to Albuquerque through Madrid, not Madrid, Madrid. There is the worst Airbnb place out here that I stayed at in 2020 in my car. Ended up sleeping in my car because even though I paid $75 to stay in a renovated RV, it was horrible. I'll put pictures on the screen. It was absolutely nasty, and these two women lived in a yurt. Looked like they hadn't showered, and then she was like, well, you haven't traveled anywhere. I'm like, lady, I've been to 90 countries by the time I was staying in that place. Anyway, it's not too far from here, but everybody was like in their cars because it was just disgusting. Anyway, this place should be open. Let me go check it out. This is the Turquoise Gem Workshop and Tours, and there's the old Trading Bird. Yeah, not a lot going on here. I stopped in Cerrillos. There wasn't anything going on there either. But anyway, they've got a little pocket park where you can do like headshots behind like murals and things. I haven't been here in like 6 years. Actually, I came here in 2020, March 2020, I think it was, or May. Anyway, let me go in and see if there's anything for Harriet, or maybe something she can give to her grandmother who likes jewelry and stuff. There's rocks, really cool rocks. It's cooling down now. But yeah, this is a little art community, which is really cool. So yeah, so let me go see what they have in here. Turquoise. Okay, let's go in. That's cool. Hi, hello.
Hi, how are you?
Well, that was very cute. I didn't want to film in there because he was just like watching me the whole time as the only customer. But I got a drum. I've been wanting a little drum for the like drum circles I get suckered into at these van meetups. Anyway, it came with a little mallet. I asked him, I'm like, is a mallet included? Anyway, but yeah, so I got that. It was like 45 bucks. That's fine. So maybe Harriet can have it. But it's made by a local Native American tribe. So, well, that's what he said. I don't know. It might say made in China. Who knows? Okay, so let me go for a little walk over here with my drum rather than bringing my camping pot. So, camping pot and a wooden spoon. Yeah, and he gave me a little mallet too, and very, very cute. Yeah, so there it is. I've got I finally have a drum. All right, so I'm gonna walk down. This is really all the town is, although there's like people with their land and property and stuff. But if you want to go to a really, 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 really cool art community, I would suggest going to Bisbee down in Arizona. It's a really, really cool place. This is the actual supermarket here. This is the old boarding house and mercantile. And then there's the photo park down here. Again, I haven't been here in 6 years, and there's more stuff down the end. But you have to pay for parking. So you can also park at the end of town with a couple RVs that look like they're Breaking Bad. So I'm hungry. I want some food, like just something. I don't know. I skated for like 2.5 hours today, and now I'm tired. Anyway, this little pocket park's cute. Build to suit. So you can buy this lot here if you want to build on it. I don't know if there was something there before. Oh, this is the parking lot. Never mind. Oh, Connie's photo park. That's right. When I was here last time. This is really cute. Look at this. It's all donation based, but I have pictures already of it. So I'm just not going to go in for now. I don't have anyone to take my photos. Let's see. Go down here. Yeah, there's restaurants and things at the end. I'm going to turn around. I'm going to drive down through, and if there's anything that I feel like stopping at, I will. So this is only about 20 minutes from Santa Fe, which is fine. Yeah, it's a cute little town. I'm driving through here because there's no snow. I mean, I thought this place would be completely packed. I guess this is the parking here for the photo park. But yeah, please park this direction. Okay. Yeah, everything's like honor system out here. There's another van lifer right there. Little house, art galleries. But yeah, I got a drum. This is so cute. I am super happy I got a drum. And it's just the right size for my van. Now I gotta figure out where to hang it. So, all right, let me go in the van, figure out what I'm doing, and then just keep driving to Albuquerque. Maybe I'll get some dinner in Albuquerque. I got food. I just don't know. I don't know. I'm just tired. Now that I'm winding down to head home, I'm just kind of in that complacent mode. Plus, it's like lady time. So anyway, let me go down here. All right, I'm losing the sun. There's a bunch of other stuff down here. Just park in front. You don't have to pay for parking. But anyway, so yeah. I think everything's pretty much closing now. Galleries, let's see. Lots of rocks. This is a really cute town. If you come down here when everything's actually open, I think it'll be interesting. But there should be some restaurants and stuff. But yeah, when I stayed at this, oh my god, it was horrible. And I wrote a like bad review on Yelp, and I wrote a bad review on what was it? Let's open over here. Yeah, I wrote a really bad review on Airbnb, and they were just like, you've never been anywhere, you've never traveled, you don't know what it's like to travel. I'm like, lady, you need to stop talking to me. Anyway, so yeah, so there's a museum here, there's a tavern. I'll come down here like during the week when like things should be open. Right now I just need to get to yeah, so anyway, it's a cute town, but I need to get to Albuquerque. So I have stopped here and bought stuff before. I bought like a really nice shawl, and I have no idea where it is. But yeah, so it's all jewelry and art, mostly jewelry, rocks and stuff like that. And then people's houses. I don't know who that is. I don't know. Anyway, very, very nice, cute little community. Just, you know, kind of nestled, and that's it. That's the whole town. Right there. And it's like population like 300, I don't know. But yeah, it's just kind of nestled in the mountains. I'll just show you right here. Kind of nestled like that, which means that, you know, it's not as windy as when you're driving through like Cerrillos and south of, south of Santa Fe. I'm tired and I'm hungry. I want some sort of food substance. Kind of want like a salad or something a little bit healthier, maybe a sandwich. I'm sleeping in tomorrow in the van for the first time in like a week. So actually, no, it's been like over 2 weeks because I didn't stay in the van. I picked the van up and went straight to my friend's house last Tuesday. So I haven't slept in the van since like 2 weeks ago. So yeah, so like Thursday night when I was in Albuquerque before I went home, I stayed in the van. Yes, go around me, dude. Go around. Speed limit is 35 miles an hour, and I have dash cams. Now it's 55, so that's fine. Anyway, I got a drum. I'm super, super happy. I'm gonna find some obnoxious drum circle, and it has a little handle on it, so I can just hang it from my belt and just like hit on it. All right, I stopped for a minute in San Antonio, which is not Antonito, Colorado, where I took the train from Chama, New Mexico, which is really, really pretty area. Anyway, but the musician just showed up. There's a place called the Lazy Lizard. There's also the Sandia Crest scenic byway that goes all the way to the top of the mountain. I guess that's how you would go if you were skiing. But I'm not going to do that today because it's going to get too dark. So anyway, so now I'm back up to 280 miles on my tank after a fill up, which is great. So I still have 38 minutes to go. I'm glad I went this way. I'm glad there was a gas station because I was running out of fuel. I'm going to stop now for a minute here and make some tea, make my Yeti and my regular cup, just rest for a minute and find something to eat. So the Lazy Lizard, it's like a pub or something, I don't know. But there's nothing in the gas station, brand new gas station, but there's nothing to eat. And I'm really just kind of, when I'm on my lady time, I'm very complacent. I'm like, I don't want anything. I just want to sleep. So anyway, but I need to stay awake for another 38 minutes. I'm going to go, actually, well, I put in gas station, but I just got gas, so I don't need to get gas. And gas is up to over $3 now, thanks to the war in Iran. So gas is over $1 more than it was like a week ago. So that's not good, but thankfully I'm not driving that far. And then, yeah, so then I had somewhere else I was going to go. Yeah, so I put it in for, so I put it in for the gas station, and then I think I need to go to a grocery store after that. So yes, I need to go to Smith's, and maybe I'll just get dinner there. I don't know, I've got a pot noodle. Maybe I'll boil some water and have a pot noodle for dinner. I don't know, I've got soup and stuff. I just don't want to clean anything up, and I don't really want any trash because I'm leaving in like 2 days. Okay, all right, well, let me just, yeah, it's really, really beautiful drive. I've not driven this in like 6 years. So this is amazing, just to go this way. And the sun's setting, but it's like in my face the whole way. So I'm like, screw you, sunset. Okay, let me make some tea and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, I am back at the saltine bucket, Le Craqueur Barrel. That's me saying the fancy land, which I am not in the fancy land. I'm in a van. I will say right now that everybody that works at AutoZone is amazing. They've been lifesavers nonstop during my 5 years and 2 months of van life. Actually, no, 4 years and 2 months of van life, I Yeah, 2021. No, 5 years. Holy shit. It's 2026. Yeah. How have I been in this for 5 years? That is crazy. Anyway, I'm now gonna go park up. I'll probably go park in the back here because it's only like 7:30 and I want to upload some more videos, the Nashville series on my super fast Wi-Fi. Yeah, what a long day. 2 hours of ice skating, 2.5 hours of ice skating, a nice 1.5 hours of driving through the East Mountains. And now I'm over here, so I'm just gonna pull in. I don't have the bikes on the back, and there's a lot of people here tonight at Cracker Barrel, so I'm just gonna park over here, and hopefully that semi truck, like, don't put your ladders down, dude, and don't put your slide outs. I'm just kidding. All these people here. Okay, so we've got Breaking Bad RV. I'm curious if I ever run into like any of the, you know, like people I watch on YouTube, because they're all kind of traveling through this part of the country. There's a homeless guy in a pickup truck with a full encampment set up. What the hell? Like, don't do that, because then I won't be able to park here. I actually got a free 3-month subscription to The Dirt, and I'll put the website on the screen. Yeah, for some reason they were offering 3 months free. After that, it's like $59 a month or something, or $59 a year. I don't pay for apps for like telling me where to park. I used to use Free Roam, and then the guy that was hosting it just shut it down, and that was like the best crowdsourcing place that I ever had. Okay, so anyway, but yeah, I'm surprised I'm not running into like people I watch on YouTube. Anyway, so back to me. Okay, so we've got a Sprinter, a Dodge Ram, the pickup truck, which has like morphed into the tree. He's putting a tent up in the tree. That guy. Thankfully, he's behind another Sprinter, a pickup truck with a fifth wheel, toy hauler, I don't know, a Breaking Bad RV, and then me. And then there's another van on the other side of the dumpster. So I'm just gonna park in my regular spot. Don't have my bikes, which is good. But yeah, this was a good day. It's just so weird, like having been in the peace and quiet. I mean, I was here in Albuquerque since like October, right? And then I went to Santa Fe proper again on February 14th, and now it's March 4th, and with a trip home in between. We're like 4 days home. And I'll tell you, being back in the city, it's loud. It is loud, there's traffic, and there's traffic also in Santa Fe, but there's only like 50,000 people. I mean, here there's like over 500,000, but I feel it. It's okay though. I'm only here for tomorrow. I don't even know what I'm doing tomorrow. I'm sleeping in definitely. I just ate some potato chips, which I never eat. I got like a pack of these, like baked potato chips, because I fancied something a little naughty. It's warm here. It's 61. I miss the cold. That was really pretty drive. There's really no BLM over there, like on the East Mountains. There's a state park in Cerrillos, and there's nothing in Cerrillos. It's just their little downtowns, like, you know, 2 little intersections. But, you know, those places have potential. If they were able to get more money put into it, especially Madrid. It's not Madrid, it's Madrid. It's a cute little art community. I've got a drum, and I'm so happy about that. So I could just beat it all night and annoy everybody. But yeah, so there we go. I'm just like sitting here. Anyway, so I've got a big cup of tea. I'm gonna make another cup of tea, and then yeah, just kind of chill and get some videos uploaded. Since I'm here, it's only 7:30, so then I'll probably just watch some Netflix. I will tell you, it's been nice being in Santa Fe. It's been nice being in my friend's house. Even though like I haven't really done much work, I did manage to get 2 full days of editing videos, so I could have done a lot more, but now I need to start, I think tomorrow. So tomorrow I'll get up, I'll sleep in, I'll go to the gym for an hour, take a shower, and then just park up in the van at the park probably, and just use all my power and work on grant proposal applications for the nonprofit and stuff like that. And then I need to just kind of just do a little bit of admin work. I don't have anything to do for the family stuff since I don't have anything to attend until April, so a month from now. So fingers crossed that that gets sorted. It's just gone on 12 years, it's too long. But I hope it gets resolved. And yeah, so now I'm just gonna kind of chill here with all these people. It's good to be back. I like parking in the back here as long as there's no semi trucks idling their engine all night. Because there was a guy in some like fruit truck that was like idling a couple weeks ago, and I was like, it's that reverb, it's not the noise. I mean, I can park down the other end of the parking lot where the freeway is, and that's fine too, except I think there's a club around here that plays music, or somebody's car, because I was like, again, it's that reverb. I don't mind like blasting music all night and like dogs barking, babies crying, it doesn't bother me, but it's that subtle like that. It's just like, like do something else. You know. Anyway, super excited with my new power bank, super excited with my new lights. Super bright in here now when I turn those on. I'm tired, but yeah, it'll be nice to have kind of like 2 nights to just kind of veg in the van. I miss the van. But then I have to figure out what I'm going to do. So I'm going to help my friend with his surgery next week when I'm back. And then he's got home help. So I think after that, I'm going to probably just go somewhere for a week and just maybe go up into Colorado, Pagosa Springs, just kind of get out of town. But now gas is like $1 extra because of this, like what's going on in the Middle East. And so it's back to 2023 again, where gas was like $4 a gallon. So now it's like I think I paid $3.39. And I think the lowest I've seen it is like $3.10. So I don't know. Anyway, but yeah, it'll be nice to get back in the car, to go home, see my daughter. That'll be fun. And yeah, can't wait till I can travel more with her. That would be great. We've done a lot of trips. Went to England when she was little. I went to England for a month, went to Disney World, just did lots of like weekend and day trips and that kind of stuff. But yeah, so hoping things get streamlined and sorted. So anyway, okay, well, yeah, everything's, since I was last here in Albuquerque, like proper, before I went to Santa Fe on the 14th of February, I've added security cameras, I've added a power bank, I've added a solar panel, I've added extra lights, more puck lights, I've got more stuff on its way. Yeah, I've like really kind of like upgraded the van. That's on the interior. Now I need to do the exterior. So these are my new lights. Probably should find a better solution, but they came with the new power bank and they're fantastic. They're so bright in here. It's a lot brighter than it looks. But anyway, yeah, definitely much better than, well, I mean, I still use this one. So yeah, so that brightens it all up. I've got another one under there. I've also got 6 of these puck lights, since my original puck lights here have pretty much conked out after 5 years. 5 years in the van, who knew? Okay, make another cup of tea and then put Netflix on and start uploading videos. Good morning from Le Craqueur Barrel. And look, it's a British van. It's interesting. I don't know who that is. Anyway, welcome to the States. I'm British too, but I've got Beatles and I'm like British-ish. Anyway, I'm gonna put the heat on for a minute, make a cup of tea, eat breakfast, and I'm heading to a national monument. So I'm gonna start checking all those off. There's a bunch of them over by Bandelier, but not as far as Bandelier, kind of like in a different direction. And there's no snow, so I'm gonna go drive over there today, go do a hike at some weird like rock monument, and then come back into town, take a shower, call my daughter, and then just get ready to get up early and leave tomorrow. I'm getting up at 5 tomorrow, getting out of here at 6, driving 10 hours home. So there we go. Okay, all right, let me go eat breakfast.